Hey dolls, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be featuring Beauty Forever's Malaysian Jerry Curl human hair. I'm just going to be showing you how to make a quick wig in like less than 30 minutes so that you can put this on your head and walk out the door, honey. Nobody has time for straight hair sometimes, or they don't even have time to be curling their hair with a wand or a curler set. You know, the curler sets that she be using. Sometimes you just want to get a curly wig, a good one that looks good. You can put your makeup on and you out the door. So she's going to show you how to do it. What she's doing is pouring down this lace closure. And you see this in plenty of tutorials, and I really don't want to get repetitive. So in my other tutorials, I would just have the wig on and try to do different styles with the wigs instead of showing you how to make wigs. Because like if you keep watching our videos, you will know how to make a wig. But we did bleach this closure, and also dolls, I don't pluck the curly front parts because sometimes the curly hair that they send, when you wet it, it do not curl back up. So you get some of those companies that will send you hair that is really full. If y'all don't know what full means, it's fake. We did bleach the lace closure. Sometimes with these lace closures, it's not a transparent closure. If you don't know what that means, if you ever seen clip on Instagram when they have the transparent lace and then they pluck it and it looks just like it's growing out of your scalp, I want one of those frontals. AliExpress sometimes do not sell frontals like that. Lace is like kind of hard to make transparent. I don't know, it's just really hard. So after she sews down this closure, y'all, what she's going to do is she's going to take a pack of that curly hair and she's going to take it ear to ear. Well, yeah, not ear to ear, closure to closure, because you want to cover that up. That's the whole point of doing it. You want to cover it up. So you're going to take it from closure to closure, and you're going to do this all the way until you get to the middle part. Finally on to her last piece, and that looks really good. She is always good at sewing or hot gluing. It doesn't matter. She be styling her butt off. What she's going to do now is cut the excess inside of the lace. Inside of the cap, sorry. And now what she's going to do is lay it back on the cap and face frame this beautiful curly hair, y'all. So if y'all want to pluck, that's totally up to y'all. After she face frames it, that's it. Y'all good to go. And that's it, dolls. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you, dolls, in my next makeup tutorial.